In this lecture, I want to talk about div tag. The div tag is nothing more than a container until that encapsulates other page elements and divides the HTML document into sections. I delete this one, refresh. Okay. I create a div tag and create a h1 tag. This is my first div, and create a paragraph. Divs divides the HTML document into sections. Okay, save, refresh. My h1 and paragraph. Now I want to create another div tag, and this is my second divs. Say this is my second divs. I want to set a style for this one with CSS. You will more about CSS in CSS section. Style, and change the color, background color to be red. Okay, save, refresh. There you go. Just second div change the background color, but the first div has no color. That you see, div divides the web page into the sections. The div element is very often used together with CSS to lay out a web page. In next lecture, I want to talk about span element. I will see you in next lecture. Good luck.